Hello YouTube. This is my new this week video for May the 20th, 2018. A lot of Victorinox stuff. We'll start with the 2018 limited edition. The Berry Red, they're calling it. I got one of each. The Classic SD. That color is gorgeous. The Cadet. And the Pioneer. And this was 30, 40, 44. I got these through Mass Drop, I believe. Then the next one is the Jetsetter. This is a TSA safe because there's no knife, so it's got their multi-tool on it. And scissors. And a removable USB, which is still kind of new, and so there we go. Then this unhooks from the pin. So that's pretty cool. I think this is a 16. Yeah, 16 gig. It's pretty good. So nice little TSA approved option. Oop, wrong way. And that locks in. And then I got this translucent orange Classic. I just didn't have this color and anything. I thought it was cool looking, so picked that up as well. The Jetsetter here is $60. This was $15. And lastly, the Boker Model 10 went on sale at I think Blade HQ. This is a knife I had my eye on pretty much all last year, and it finally went on sale. This is a CPM 154 hollow ground Warncliffe C-Tech handle, liner lock. Reminds me of the haddock, but just a cool looking knife. No pocket clip, which is okay. I've been carrying traditionals enough now that I'm getting kind of used to having them in my pocket. It would be nice if it at least had a lanyard hole, but I might do a review on this knife. This is I don't see this getting a lot of love, this Model 10. I think people go to the haddock instead, but there's a regular version of this which is just G10, and I'm sure it's quite a bit cheaper. But that's that. Alright, well, that'll do it for now. Thanks, YouTube. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.